Welcome to a guided meditation for family stress on Declutter the Mind. This session is designed to help you gently release tension from conflicts, disagreements, and worries about family relationships. So, to start, find a comfortable position, sitting on a chair or on the floor with your back upright but comfortable. Starting here by taking in one deep breath in through your nose, allowing your stomach to expand as you inhale, and then exhale slowly through the mouth, feeling your shoulders relax, allowing your breath to return to a comfortable pace, and gently closing your eyes. And let's start here with a simple body scan to ground our awareness and attention. Bring your attention to the top of your head, noticing any sensations there. And if you find any tension in the forehead or scalp, allow it to loosen, to relax. Moving your focus down to your temples, your cheeks, and your jaw. Oftentimes we hold stress in our faces, we clench our jaw. And so if you sense any tightness, just allow the muscles there to soften. And bringing our attention down to the neck and shoulders. These areas commonly carry the weight of daily stress. And so give yourself permission here to just relax the shoulders, releasing any tightness you find here. Continuing down each arm from the upper arms to the elbows, to the forearms, to the wrists, hands. It's simply observing any sensations here without judgment. And now move to your chest, noticing the rise and fall of the chest with each inhale that passes all on its own, each exhale that passes. And allow this rhythm of the breath to remind you that you are here in this present moment. And if any thoughts about family issues come up, we acknowledge them and then guide our attention back to the sensations in the chest. Moving down to the abdomen, the stomach, the lower back, the hips. Just noticing where there's any tension and gently releasing it. Noticing the contact that your body is making with the bed or chair or floor. Allowing the muscles to release any tension. And finally moving down to the legs, to the thighs, to the knees, down to the calves, ankles, and feet. And once you scan all the way from head to toe, just pause for a moment, noticing how the entire body feels as a whole, and rest in this state. And now that we're grounded, we're just going to repeat some phrases in our mind to ourselves, practicing some loving kindness here, bringing a sense of compassion to ourselves and our family. Beginning with yourself, repeat silently, "May I be calm." "May I be at peace." And there's no need to force a feeling here. Just allow anything that comes to mind to arrive naturally without any judgment. And now, if it feels right, bring to mind a specific family member or your entire family group. This might include the relatives you are having conflicts with, and we're not justifying or excusing any actions. Instead, we're recognizing our shared humanity here, offering the same compassionate thoughts. May we find calm. May we find understanding. And if you notice any discomfort or resistance, that's completely normal. Allow those feelings to be part of your meditative experience without pushing them away. We acknowledge them and then gently bring our attention back to the phrases. The intention here is to cultivate a willingness to let go of resentment, if only for a moment, to just bring a state of peace to your mind. And so, as you practice this, any thoughts or emotions that arise are part of the process. If judgment appears, simply notice it and then guide your attention back to the phrases, or even ground yourself again back in the body scan. Allow this to naturally ease some of that stress that you have right now. And just bring your mind back to the present moment, back to those points of contact, back to sensations through the body. And begin to slowly open your eyes, noticing how you feel compared to when you began this practice. Thanks for sitting today, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for taking the time to practice. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also join and become a member and receive access to courses and more. Head on over to declutterthemind.com for more and download our free iOS and Android app.